What up, everyone? It's your boy, Pod Silver, coming at you from Meme Brigade. Ah, you don't understand. I've watched Black Panther 3 times for the weekend, and now I am stuck talking like this. I love that movie, yo. I love it. Ah, I love that movie. So, for the duration of the video, I'm going to be talking like this. If you think it is a nice accent for me, tell me now. Anyways, welcome to another fine episode of Meme Brigade. As I told you, it is your boy, Void Black Panther, coming at you from the cosmic realm of Wakandan cyberspace. Yes, it is lovely, isn't it? So I have some very funny memes lined up for you all here today. So let's just jump right into it. The intro is already gone. What am I waiting for? Why am I still talking to you? Let us go. Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just go. Yes. Okay. Meme. Yeah. Right here. There we go. See, Wakandan technology. Very impressive. Let's go. My 13-year-old daughter wants a nose ring for Christmas. I can hardly contain my excitement. He bought her an actual nose ring. A nose on a ring. That is very good parenting. Give this man a clap. Very good parenting. Very good. Very good parenting. Not on me, man. There we go. Okay, so this is an Instagram post. Andy Oldham. Describe your worst breakup. My worst breakup. It hurt my heart. I will not speak of it. We do not do that here. And we have this person called Rogue. And she says, so I dated this nigga for like 6 months. One day we're in town. He just started running. Why is he running? We don't know. Took off. Never saw him again. Now that is a horrible breakup. And we got Ben Hal here saying she got forest dumped. She got forest dumped. That is a very hard way to go. Very hard way. Throw away this meme. Next meme. Me in court. Your Honor, I would like to plead guilty as well as request the death penalty. She feels very sorry for what she has done. We will take her back to Wakanda and we will trial her Wakandan style. Yes. Judge, this is Sparta!
This is Sparta!
I am sorry. This is a parking ticket. She requested the death penalty for a parking ticket. She done bamboozled the judge. One like equal, one respect for this girl. She is not afraid of dying. She would make perfect Wakandan soldier. We just need to shave her head. Not me. Okay. An 8-year-old girl went to the office with her father on Take Your Kid to Work Day. I am black. We have never had Take Your Kid to Work Day. The only time our parents took us to work is when they wanted us to actually work. Tragic. As they were walking around the office, the young girl starts crying. Oh my god, why is she crying now? And getting very cranky. Oh, I see. She's crying and very cranky. Her father asked what's wrong with her. As the staff gathered round, she sobbed loudly. Why are you sobbing? Keep quiet. People are trying to walk. Are you finished? Daddy, where are all the clowns that you said you worked with? Oh my gosh. Your father did not mean actual clowns. He meant his co-workers, who are now standing around him, and you have just blotted out that. You have destroyed your father's career. He's no longer welcome to the staff parties. He's no longer welcome. Ah, he cannot take part in our ceremonies. Sad. It's just sad. Another meme. Ah, look at this picture. Hmm. If one Sabir an address and I don't like to wait was a person, this would be that person. This is everybody. This is especially me. I don't like to dress and have to wait to go out. If I dress, I want to leave. Why you have me dressed looking all fine and I have to wait? I don't like waiting when I dress. I would like to go out. If I take my clothes off and then you come and tell me you're ready, I am not going anymore. I understand her struggles. I understand her struggles. So. Be gone. These memes they hit at home. Another one. Why would a fly land on something like this? I don't know. Maybe he thought it looked attractive, alluring. Rats should be ashamed for falling in this trap. Eh, they are rats, so if they see cheese and it's on a trap, do you think they care? They are hungry. We are all hungry. Eh? If you saw cheese on trap, would you not go for it if you're hungry? And all you had is bread. What is wrong with this guy? Bears. This is ridiculous. Wait a minute. Do you all see what I am seeing? Is he not falling into the same trap? Do you not see her? Do you not see her ding around? Poking out of her dress. His dress. His horse dress. Its dress. Do you not see it? Look at he has fallen for trap. Hey! And he wants animals to be ashamed. Shame on you, my brother. Shame on you. Take it away. Take it away. Shame on you. Why are you downgrading these animals? Ah. We have one about the coronavirus. Oh. Ah. The coronavirus. Oh. If they change that C to a K, it would be my favorite pair. Why do you have to spoil Fast and the Furious for me? Why do they name the disease after a beer? I don't understand. A alcoholic beverage. Are they trying to tell us alcohol will kill us? Like we don't already know that. Coronavirus can be killed with alcohol. Me always drunk as F. You have no power here.
You have no power here.
Oh my god. This is the equivalent of show him who you are. I am the Black Panther. Oh my gosh. Other me, man. Other me. There you go. Just gave this homeless guy $10 and told him not to buy drugs with it. Very good advice. Very good advice. Clap for her. Very good advice. He said, nigga, don't tell me what to do with my money. I can see why her reaction is like this. Excuse me? He got so offended. Don't tell me what to do with my money. Homeless guy, very brave. Ah, there we go. Best comeback of the year. Best comeback of the year. Isa Mami. Eh. Okay, Isa, what do you have to say? Fat girls who wear crop tops be looking like Winnie the Pooh. Eh. So your sizes. You have something against fat women. Yeah. Clearly you have not been to the Caribbean. I see. Mr. Killer, Mr. Killer, what did you say about fat women?
Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. All of the above, girl, them. Tell them the party start. Years gone by. Only maga girl just in the blind. Lord. So them me see and me wonder. And me ask myself why. Alright. And every model got a shape like a Coca-Cola bottle. Why? But this year at the back of my mind, fat girl, me want tackle. So let me tell you, I want a fat girl, I want a rolling.
That is enough. What is wrong with you? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Are you finished? Are you done? Are you done? Stop it. So this is what Crybaby had to say. I would lose weight and look good in a crop top if I walk the distance between your eyebrows. Oh, she has. Look at her eyebrows. Look at her eyebrows. They are huge. Look at the space between them. So your head is so big. I'm pretty sure you can land jet on it. You can land Wakandan jet on it. Look at it. It is huge. She would lose plenty weight. That is what you get. Do not diss fat people. They are people too. They have feelings. What is wrong with you? Michael Vick is in the bottom. He commented, "Bitch, I just hold." I am holding with you, my brother. I am holding with you. I am holding. We are both holding, like the wolf. We are holding. What that mean? There we go. Teacher tells class it's time to finger paint. Okay, nothing wrong with that. The kid name paint. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I don't think she was talking about that kind of finger. Oh my gosh, Pope paint. She wasn't talking about that kind of finger. You all need to stop. You all need to stop. The person created this meme. Go and sleep. Go to bed. Go to bed. We are fed up of you. We are fed up. What does that mean? We are fed up. We are fed up by you. Okay. Okay. So we see rapist such. Does he not look like the rapist in the picture? Does this news broadcaster, this news reporter, not look like the man in the picture? They have the same mustache, the same eyes, the same face, the same hair. He's the rapist. As soon as he's done, as soon as he's finished this broadcast, his ass is going to jail. Yeah, he's reporting himself. My poor friend, you have been set up. The police is standing outside. They are going to take you to jail. One cosmic life if this man is going to jail. Yeah, Wakandan technology. Very impressive. Memes just keep popping out of everywhere. Okay. Let's see there. This guy is drinking. He seems to have done something very stupid. Let's see what he's doing. Let's see what he has done. Maybe he tried to take over Wakanda, like my stupid cousin. Idiot. Like he would have actually taken over Wakanda. I am the Black Panther. You cannot beat me. I was disappointed in myself when my crush greeted me and said, "Hi, how are you?" Oh, why were you disappointed in yourself? She said, "Hey, how are you? What is wrong with you? Why are you disappointed?" Oh, and I said, Thanks." Hello, thanks. Nice to meet you. You should have just played it off. Ah, just stretch out your hand. Thanks. She does not know that's not your name. Ah, you should have used that cosmic brain of yours. My brother, it is not too late. It is not too late. Turn from your ways. Become a true Wakandan. But for now, we are true with you. There we go. Okay. We see Michael Jackson. Yes, I love Michael Jackson. I love his music. Michael Jackson is awesome. Ah. Whew. Can you feel the thriller? The thriller. Michael Jackson, I tell you. Imagine getting jumped by Chinese guys and one of them says, "Cough on him." Oh, no. Do you see he's tearing the sheer terror on his face. Cough on him. uh, you people out there making memes and joke of this coronavirus, stop it. Stop it. It is not right. It is funny, but not right. But if you do make any more memes, please send them to me. I will certainly have them up next week or tomorrow, depending on how funny they are. And I'm sure they will be extremely funny. So you will be up tomorrow, I guess. Call for him. You have the world thinking Chinese people are going around like this. Freeze! Oh no, he coughed. Run away. Walking into banks and stores. Give me all the money. Oh my gosh. So that's all we have for today. It was a very funny show today. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the accent and I hope you understood what I was saying because honestly, half the time I don't know what I was talking about. But hey, like, subscribe, and please subscribe to the Cosmic Channel and join the Wakandan tribe. Power to the people. Don't worry, you don't need to be black to be Wakandan. Just ask the pilot. Yes. What the colonizer. I forgot his name. I remember him as colonizer. So you see, you can join us too. You don't need to be black or Wakandan. It is alright. We accept all. So please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, and leave a like. And comment down below which one of those memes was your favorite. And please, when you go out, don't cough on anyone.
Sorry ass DJ.